Traders, welcome back to this video. So this is a quick update on BTC, and remember I mentioned this in my previous live stream where we took our Fibonacci 2 from this lowest point to the highest point we went to, and ever since this massive dump right here, you see that BTC has been consolidating around this zone here. So we are looking at BTC coming to hit that 0.618 level. That's the retracement level we are looking at for a long trade, and this is one of the setup that I'm going to be taking on my funded account, my 200k funded account. Since I had some drawdown, I've not been scalping, I've not been jumping into any trade. So BTC is one of those trades I'm going to be taking, and I'm equally looking at gold as well. And I'll share the setup for gold with you once I'm certain. But this is for BTC, and I'm going to take this on my funded account. So I'm already loading a long position on my funded account, and I'll be updating you on the progress as we proceed. So for those of you who already got your funded account and you want to be trading, one of the trades that you will be looking at is BTC, right? We want to see what happens around there. If it's to hold this level of 64 down to 60k level, then we could actually be looking for a different alternative. But this is what I'm looking at the moment, and we'll be targeting this area right here, this high. And if we get here, if market continues to go up, then we'll continue to adjust or trail our stop loss as the market progresses. So keep an eye on this. All right, keep an eye on this. I've already posted this on my X handle, and I'll be updating you on the progress. So if you don't know already, yes, crypto has a profile platform that funds you to trade, and you can get up to 200k to trade crypto, and the profile platform is called HyroTrader. So they can fund you up to 200k to start trading crypto right here, as you can see. And the best part is HyroTrader to your Bybit account, meaning you get access to more than the 700 pairs that are listed on Bybit for trading. You can just set your limit orders and start trading directly from your Bybit account. And BTC is one of those trades we are looking at. So that $64,700 level is where we are looking at taking a long trade. So let's see how it plays out, and I'll be updating you in the next video. If you want to learn more, if you want to not miss out on this update, then all you need to do is to like, subscribe, and follow for more. If you want to check out HyroTrader, it will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that, and let's work together. If you need help passing your evaluation phase, do let me know, and we'll be able to add you up to the community to help you out pass evaluation and get funded. That is it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video.